Hi, welcome back to my free 7-day flat belly challenge. I hope you are getting some great results. And yes, I wanted to talk about something that we all know. Diet is very important to getting some great results for the body that we want, abs especially. And my client and some friends of mine said something yesterday that I thought was worth mentioning. They said that it seems like I just eat chicken and broccoli. And I thought that was worth mentioning because no, I wanted everyone to know that is not just all I eat. I like a much more varied diet, and I like to eat a lot of different foods, and I like tasty foods. And so no, I don't just stick to chicken and broccoli. And yes, I like to eat healthy foods, but I believe in eating a lot of different things. So I coach clients all the time on what to eat, what not to eat, when to eat, and all that comes into play. But anyway, just wanted to make it clear that chicken and broccoli is not it for me. So also I drink as well, and it's what you drink, not the sugary stuff. But anyway, that's a whole nother conversation. Let's get to the abs, which is what you're here for today. I am making it a little more intense, so I'm only going to do 2 exercises with you today. I have a band. You do not need to have a band. I'm using it to show you how to do these exercises. I'm going to put my arms apart. So you can just hold your hands apart like this, and you don't have to have a band, okay? So I am going to be up in a crunch position here. I'm going to raise and lower my legs. So I'm going to lower my legs, but I'm staying in a crunch position. As I bring my legs up to a 90 degree, I'm going to crunch to one side of my legs. And then lower my legs, crunch up higher to the other side. And we're going to do this about 20 times. So I'm going to lower my legs and I crunch down just a little bit. When I bring my legs up, I crunch up higher to each side. Okay? So the feet never touch the ground. The hands never touch the ground. If you've been following along, similar to the other ab exercises that I've done, we keep those abs contracted and they're never resting throughout the entire exercise. So bringing the legs up all the way, 90 degrees, and crunching up to each side of the legs. And like I said, the band isn't necessary. You can keep the hands spread apart. It just helps to really get that range to each side of your legs when you're crunching up. My count is probably off, but let's go 4 more here. And last 2, really squeezing as you reach. Okay, that's the first exercise for today. The next one, I'm still going to use this band to show you. Same thing, and like I said, you can just hold your arms apart like this. Either way it works, okay? So my legs are going to go out straight. I'm going to stay in a crunch position again, but this time I'm crunching my knees in between my arms. Extend my legs out, crunch higher as I bring my knees in between my arms. And let's go 20 here as well. So, extending the legs, bringing the knees in between the arms, and crunching up higher as the knees come in between the arms. Also remember, keep your chin up so you're not getting your neck engaged. We just want the abs doing all the work here. So squeezing every time those knees come in. Squeeze those abs. All right, let's go 3 more reps here. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so I'm just leaving it at those 2 today. And then if you would, to keep this ab challenge going, let's do that 3 times. So you're gonna repeat those 2 exercises 2 more times. And that will complete day 6 of the belly challenge. And then I will see you here for the finale tomorrow. I look forward to it.